Hello everybody out in quantum energy land. This is Jeffrey Riddle bringing forth his first video ever for YouTube. And today what we're going to do is show everyone how they can amplify energy from the quantum field. And we're hoping that folks will understand that with this type of antenna we do not have to drive our quantum energy generators quite so hard, because the math on this is talking over 1000% energy amplification. So whatever you start with, you should be able to multiply it 1000%. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you the source for the energy that for the antenna here. What I have here behind me is a quantum energy generator, which I will take no credit for. It was from the mind of Nikola Tesla. Tesla developed this for no apparent reason and patented it. I've had this for a few years now. We're going to show it in operation and how it draws from the quantum field. And then we're going to take that energy and we're going to amplify it over here on this antenna. So let's get started. This is the QEG in process. Still waiting on a core, by the way. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to connect this pin circuit to standard 120 volt AC. Let me hold on, I gotta get this plugged in. Wait a minute. Okay. What we have here is a furnace igniter transformer, 10,000 volts. We have a, sorry about the noise, spark gap. It's very simple. Power in, across the doorknob capacitor, across the spark gap, across the doorknob capacitor. Let me see if I can get that where you can see the numbers. And then back to the transformer. Now we have the pin circuit is simply one copper rod. One piece of copper. Okay? And what we have, this is where the energy is being drawn to, here at the copper rod. As the spark gap jumps, collapsing the field in the capacitors, which is basically at either end of a copper rod, okay, pulling in quantum energy. Okay, these wires simply run across the ceiling of the shop and they drop down to the pyramid antenna here. Okay, this pyramid antenna is sitting on a glass table, 1/2 inch thick glass, aluminum sheet. It's polished, but it shouldn't make any difference. The antenna is 18 inches per side. All sides equal. Okay, the coil. Here's your coil. The coils are coming in up to the top. Just a simple loop. Okay, I'm going to show what we got here with a light bulb. Okay. Get a zoom in on the bulb. Whoops. Zoom right in on the bulb, please. I'm gonna get real close so you can see. Okay, zoom back out so you can see me holding the wires. Okay, so you can see here that this bulb is it's lit just barely, and hopefully it's showing in the film. It's not enough to glow. You can barely see an orange color to the filament. Okay, so what we're going to do now, this is showing our energy generation through the quantum field. Minimal. Okay, now we're going to show the arc. You got to get in here where you can see this. It's very, very small arc, as you can see. That's less than 1/8 of an inch. Okay. Now we're going to go for the good stuff. We're going to show what an antenna can do for energy. All 4 points of the pyramid are arced a 1/4 inch of an arc at least. Okay, so let's zoom back out. That's the whole thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect a wire off the plate. And we're going to bring it down here. And we're going to place it on the aluminum sheet. Zoom in on the bulb. Okay. The mathematics on this is telling me about 1,000 times, 1,000% increase according to the current amp gauge that I have. Okay, so get a good shot of that. All right, now we're going to do one more thing here. I'm going to hook this back up. Okay. You can see me and the whole thing. Quantum energy is painless. All the energy right now is flowing through Jeffrey. I feel absolutely nothing. Zero. No pain. Nothing. Okay, we have one more thing we're going to do here. Oh. Come around here where you can. Okay, we're going to show the energy transfer through the glass itself. I have put water on this to make sure I get good connection to my foot. Okay, there it is. I'm taking in about half.